Okay, so first I multiplied 2x by x to the second to get 2x to the third.
Okay, hold on a second.
And then-
Hold on a second. I'm having technical difficulties. Okay, and you got 2x to the third because 2 times 1 is 2, x times x squared is x to the third. Okay, I'm with you again. Okay, go for it.
Okay, and then I multiplied 2x by negative x to get negative 2x to the second.
Okay.
And then I multiplied 2x by 3 to get positive x, 6x, sorry.
No worries. Okay, so we've done our rainbows, and when you have your rainbows, everyone is going to smile. All right, Claudia.
Okay, and then I took my negative 1 and multiplied it by x to the second to get negative x to the second.
There's your first smiley face.
And then I took negative 1 and multiplied it by negative x to get positive x. And then I multiplied my negative 1 by 3 to get negative 3.
Okay.
And then I simplified, and so I know that there's no other 2x to the third. So I left 2x to the third and I dropped it down. And then I combined negative 2x to the second with negative x to the second to get negative 3x to the second. And then I took my positive 6x plus x to get 7 plus 7x. And then negative 3, there's nothing else, so I just dropped that down too. And so my final answer was 2x to the third minus 3x to the second plus 7x minus 3.
And Claudia, we had this question in the other class, so I'm pretty sure we're going to have this question in this class. So why is it we cannot combine these terms together?
Because they are different, different multiples. I don't know how to explain. No to a different exponent, you can't combine the exponents because they're not similar.
Okay, the exponents are not similar. That's exactly right. Okay. Claudia, could you please pick a boy for question 25? Since we're recording, please, volunteer would be better than a conscript.
Does anybody want to go?
Okay, then go ahead and pick a boy who you think has the right answer.
Okay, Cyrus.
So I got stuck on 23 and I couldn't figure it out for a while, so I did not manage to get to 25.
Well, now's the perfect time to do it.
Okay, so first you would multiply 3z by 3z to the second power.
Mm-hmm.
And so that would be 3z like 3 is the exponent.
Okay. Z to the third, or z cubed, okay. What is 3 times 3?
Oh yeah, and then that would be 9.
Okay.
So then you multiply 3z by negative z. And wouldn't that be negative 3z to the second power?
Yes. Yes, it would be.
And then 3z times 4, so plus 12z.
You're doing really well. You're doing really well.
Thanks. And then, so then you go to the second layer, I guess.
Mm-hmm. We do our smiley faces.
Yeah, so negative 2 times 3z squared would be negative 6z.
And z.
And then,
and what exponent do we have here?
oh yeah, it's the second. And then negative 2 times negative z would be 2z, I believe.
And that's a positive, so I have to write plus.
Yeah.
All
And
right.
then negative 2 times 4 is negative 8, so minus 8.
Okay, you're doing
And then once
super good.
once you combine them, then you just drop down 9z to the third power. And then you subtract those. That's, I think, positive 3z squared.
So negative 3 minus 6. Negative 3 minus 6.
Or it'd be negative. Oh yeah. So that would be negative 9z squared.
There you go.
Plus 14z.
Perfect.
Minus 8.
There you go. You did a great job. I really appreciate you sticking with it, and you really did well. You really did well.
Thanks.
Are there any questions on either of these problems?